right off the back, like it looked like these are the big boys right here. These is costing like cars. I think like you still got that's a little Corolla right there. I was talking to somebody about a slingshot. These are actually kind of dope. See, then you got the big Harleys.